Here's something nobody tells women about relationships. The women who are cherished, pursued, and respected for years are not always the most beautiful, not always the nicest, and definitely not always the ones trying the hardest. In fact, many women who give the most effort often end up being the ones taken for granted the fastest. Strange, right? But the women who are never taken for granted do something very different psychologically. They trigger something deep in a man's mind, something that makes him think, losing her would be the biggest mistake of my life. And once that thought enters his brain, everything changes. Today we're breaking down 7 things women who are never taken for granted do differently. And trust me, most women miss number 4 completely, and it changes everything. Let's start with a hard truth. People rarely value what feels guaranteed, not just in relationships, in life. Think about it. Air is free, so nobody thinks about it. But if oxygen suddenly disappeared for 10 seconds, you'd panic like the world was ending. Human psychology works exactly the same way in relationships. When someone feels certain they can never lose you, appreciation slowly fades. But the women who are never taken for granted understand something powerful. They don't try to earn love harder. They trigger respect, admiration, and emotional investment. And they do it through very specific behaviors. Let's start with the first one. Point 1. The magic of no. Imagine always saying yes. Every request, every demand, you're there. Sounds noble, right? The truth is, that's a recipe for becoming a doormat. Women who are rarely taken for granted understand the power of no. It's not about being unhelpful, it's about setting boundaries and valuing their time and energy. When you constantly say yes, your value diminishes, as it's assumed you're always available. But saying no signals that your time is valuable and you have your own life. Think of it like this. If a product is always on sale, does it feel special? Probably not. The same principle applies to your time and attention. This isn't just about saying no to chores. It's about saying no to things that drain you or violate your values. It means you're not always available at his beck and call, not dropping everything to meet his needs. This subtle shift in availability makes your presence more valuable and creates a sense of scarcity that increases appreciation. Point 2. Cultivating an independent life. Think of the most captivating people you know. Do they spend every waking moment with their partners? Chances are they have their own passions, friends, and interests outside the relationship. This is a crucial element that sets women who aren't taken for granted apart. They have lives of their own, creating a rich tapestry of experiences and connections. This not only makes them more interesting, but also prevents them from becoming solely defined by their relationship. When you have a life outside of your relationship, it means you're not solely dependent on your partner for validation and happiness. You have other sources of fulfillment, which reduces the pressure on him and makes you less prone to becoming needy or clingy. This independence sends a strong message that you are a complete individual, and your presence in his life is a choice, not a necessity. Point 3. Mastering the art of unpredictability. You know the feeling when you can predict every move your partner makes? It can get a little repetitive. The same principle applies to you. While consistency is important, a touch of unpredictability can keep a relationship fresh and exciting. Women who are never taken for granted aren't afraid to shake things up, to be a little less predictable. This doesn't mean being unreliable or flaky. It means introducing elements of surprise and spontaneity. Imagine going to a movie where you know exactly how it will end. boring. A little suspense makes it memorable. Think about how a twist in a movie plot keeps you engaged. This is essentially what unpredictability does in a relationship. It creates a sense of intrigue and keeps your partner on his toes. Maybe it's a sudden weekend getaway, a new hobby you decide to pursue, or simply a change in your routine. These subtle shifts can reignite his interest and remind him that you are a unique, dynamic individual. Point 4. They practice selective silence. Most people think communication is the key to everything. And while talking is great, women who are never ignored know that silence is often more powerful. In psychology, there's a concept called the scarcity principle. When you over-explain, nag, or constantly fill the air with your thoughts, your words become cheap currency. It's like that one friend who sends 20 one-second voice notes instead of one text. You eventually just hit mute, right? The woman who commands respect doesn't bark at every minor annoyance. If he's being disrespectful or dismissive, she doesn't launch into a 3-hour lecture on feelings. She simply withdraws her energy. She becomes quiet. This creates an immediate pressure gap. When a man is used to your warmth and it suddenly turns into a polite, cool silence, his brain goes into overdrive trying to solve the puzzle. He stops taking your presence for granted because he suddenly realizes your warmth is a privilege, not a permanent fixture. Point 5. The high standard reality check. Here's where it gets interesting. There's a psychological phenomenon called the Pygmalion effect, which suggests that people perform up to the level of expectations placed upon them. Women who get taken for granted often have bottomless grace. They forgive everything, except maybe as an answer, and tolerate late-night you-up texts. The woman who is cherished has high standards, not just for him, but for herself. She doesn't hope he'll treat her well, she assumes it as the baseline for entry. If he shows up 30 minutes late without a valid reason, she doesn't wait around. She's already left to go grab a cocktail with her sister. By having a point of exit, she signals that her life is a high-speed train. He can either be a first-class passenger, or he can stand on the platform and wave goodbye. Men don't value things that are free and easy. They value what they have to earn and maintain. Point 6. They are not emotional fixers. A common trap many women fall into is becoming a man's therapist, life coach, and secretary. You think that by solving his problems, he'll realize he can't live without you. Psychology suggests the opposite. This is known as overfunctioning. When you do the emotional heavy lifting for him, he becomes lazy in the relationship. Congratulations, you didn't get a boyfriend. You adopted a 30-year-old toddler. Is that really the vibe we're going for? Women who are never taken for granted let a man carry his own weight. If he's having a bad day, they offer empathy, not a 10-point recovery plan. They don't try to fix his career or his relationship with his mother. By staying in their own lane, they maintain their mystery and their feminine polar attraction. They remain the prize to be won, rather than the assistant who keeps his life running. He stays engaged because he has to keep showing up to keep her interested, not the other way around. Point 7. They maintain the mystery of the 80%. This is the golden rule. In any long-term dynamic, there's a tendency to become an open book. You share every boring detail of your lunch, every thought that crosses your mind, and your entire schedule for the next 3 weeks. But the human brain is wired to seek out the unknown. Women who stay on a pedestal follow the 80-20 rule of disclosure. They give 80% of themselves, but that final 20% remains a locked vault. They have thoughts he hasn't heard, stories they haven't told, and parts of their soul that belong only to them. Think of it like a trailer for a blockbuster movie. If they showed you the ending in the first 30 seconds, would you buy the ticket? Exactly. When you aren't a fully solved puzzle, he can never truly take you for granted because there is always more to discover. It keeps the chase alive indefinitely. He's always lean in, trying to figure out what you're thinking or what you'll do next. That slight edge of not fully knowing is the fuel that keeps the fire of attraction burning for decades, not just months. At the end of the day, being taken for granted isn't a reflection of your worth. It's a reflection of the dynamic you've allowed to settle. The moment you start valuing your own time, setting firm boundaries, and maintaining your own vibrant world, the world, and the men in it, has no choice but to follow suit. You aren't a background character in his story, you are the protagonist of your own. When you live like that, being taken for granted simply isn't an option on the menu. If this spoke to you, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm show this to more women who might need a reminder of their power today. Drop a comment below with the word valued if you're done being a doormat and ready to be the prize. And don't forget to subscribe to the Brainy Facts channel for your weekly dose of relationship psychology.